Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing tools and a fresh CR2032 battery. Once you have a small Phillips and a flat pry tool, sit at a clean table and remove the scooter seat to access any spare key holder. Make sure the remote is off the key or separated from the keyring. Now position the pry tool at the remote seam and apply gentle, even pressure to release the clips. You want to open the case without cracking the plastic, because the internal PCB and contacts are delicate. Once the case is open, you will see the old CR2032 cell and the PCB. First, note the battery orientation so you reinstall correctly. Most NMAX V2 remotes have the plus side facing up. Remove the old cell, inspect the metal contacts for corrosion or bent tabs, and gently clean them with 90% plus isopropyl if needed. Replace the battery, ensure it sits flat and contacts are snug. Then align the PCB in the case so buttons and rubber pads sit properly before closing. You finish by snapping the case closed and testing the remote immediately. First, press lock/unlock near the scooter and watch for the LED or receiver response. If it fails, try a fresh battery and repeat. If still unresponsive, reprogram following Yamaha NMAX V2 steps, usually an ignition on/off sequence or pairing routine in the owner manual, and make sure the steering lock is disengaged during programming. If problems persist, check contact springs for damage or consult a dealer for receiver faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.